So Lee Valley sells a chip breaker screwdriver that I'm learning a lot of guys don't know about. The reason I like it is because when you have a normal screwdriver, you risk marring the nut like that when it slips or if it's too tight and you mess it up. So because this bar goes all the way across there, there's no risk of that happening. So you put this right over the screw. Sometimes it's tough to, there we go. Put it right over the screw, you loosen it, you can take this apart. The other thing that I really like about it is if you're restoring like really old Stanleys and it's stuck, this gives you a lot of force so you don't risk slipping the screwdriver, marring that. I've actually stabbed myself before with the screwdriver. So now that I got this, put this right on there and you get a lot of force. The other thing that's cool is while you're using this, just because of how you hold it in your hand, you can hold the entire side of the iron in the chip breaker to make sure that it stays square when you tighten it down. Put that back on there, tighten it down, and it's where you want it to be because you were able to hold the side. So, check it out. Lee Valley, chip breaker, or Veritas, I don't know. Screw